Would you like to improve your English fluency by learning useful collocations? Welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today I'm going to teach you 10 adjective plus at collocations. These collocations will definitely help you to improve your English fluency and will help you to score higher on tests like IELTS. Before we begin, let's review what a collocation is and why collocations are important for improving your English. A collocation is a set of words that go together naturally in English. If you change or replace any of the words in the set, then your sentence will sound strange or weird to native English speakers. As a result, remembering collocations and using them correctly in English will make you sound more fluent and will help you to get a higher band on IELTS. The collocations in today's lesson specifically focus on certain adjectives that will go together with the preposition at. A quick point about the collocations in today's lesson. In your sentence, you have adjective plus at, and then after the preposition at, you need to use a noun or a gerund to complete your sentences. Remember that a gerund is the verb plus ing form that acts like a noun in the sentence. For today's lesson, I have divided the adjective plus at collocations into two main groups. The first group of adjective plus at collocations is used to help explain the reason for your feelings. The adjective is the emotion that you are feeling, and then after at, you are explaining the cause or reason for that emotional response. So if I say he was surprised at her good news, it helps to explain the reason why he was surprised, right? The good news made him feel surprised. He was surprised at her good news. Our second adjective plus at collocation for today is shocked at. If you are shocked by something, it means that you are unpleasantly surprised by it. For example, I was shocked at the amount of money my friend lost at the casino. Our third collocation for today is amazed at. If you are amazed at something, it means that you are in wonder of it. You are pleasantly surprised. You think it's great. When I saw Niagara Falls for the first time, I was amazed at its beauty. Collocation number 4 is annoyed at. If you are annoyed at something, it means that it is making you feel bothered and irritated and quite upset. I was annoyed at the man who kept speaking loudly in the library. Collocation number 5 is delighted at. If you are delighted at something, it means that it's bringing you pleasure and joy. You feel happy or glad about it. For example, I am delighted at reading many wonderful comments. Collocation number 6 is disappointed at. If you are disappointed at someone or something, it means that you feel sad and let down. You are unhappy about it. For example, I am disappointed at the cancellation of many events recently. Collocation number 7 is angry at or mad at. Mad and angry have the same meaning. It means to be very upset and irritated and in a rage. You're furious about something. For example, I am angry at my friend's boyfriend for cheating on her. I am mad at whoever stole my bicycle. The second category for adjective plus at collocations that I have for you today is using adjective plus at to describe skills or ability. Collocation number 8 is successful at. If you are successful at something, it means that you are victorious, you are triumphant, you have accomplished something. If you keep studying English, you will be successful at reaching your goals. Collocation number 9 is to be bad at something. And you can make this collocation stronger using stronger adjectives. So you can be bad at something, terrible at something, awful at something, and so on. For example, I am bad at sports. He is terrible at singing. My friend is awful at cooking. Collocation number 10 is the opposite of bad at something. It is to be skilled at something, or most commonly we say to be good at something. So if you're skilled at something or good at something, it means that you can do it really, really well. My brother is skilled at photography. I am good at acting. Speaking of the collocation good at, I recently made a video talking about the differences between be good at, good for, good with, and good to. I recommend you check out that video over here. So today, you learned 10 collocations, all using adjective plus the preposition at. Hopefully using these collocations will help you to improve your English fluency and do better on tests like IELTS. And now it's time for question of the day. Today's question is, what is something that you have been surprised at recently? Let me know in the comments below. I will be delighted at reading your responses. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found it useful, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.